Hello Scorpio, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your monthly love prediction for September 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Looking into your monthly love readings, but before I do that, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Also, this reading is divided into three parts. This is for the age of 21 and below, 21 below 21, 21 and 28, 21 to 28, and 28 and above. So quickly looking at the cards for people below 21. The Hierophant here indicates that you want to stick to the traditional methods of a relationship. However, the other person doesn't seem very keen. I've got two tens, which definitely indicates change, but this person has been really bogged down with a lot of work, a lot of responsibilities that they are into, and they are not able to find a lot of time for you. They have a lot of burden on their head, and you might feel that you want to see this relationship going to the next level. Maybe if you're just talking to someone, you want it to become a relationship. If you're in a relationship, you might want to proceed further. However, I see that you are coming to an end of a cycle. You may be reaching to a stage where you actually sort of decide to let go of the relationship or give it a chance again. Depending on your situation, this could resonate with you in whatever ways. The advice we have for you is playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. And also, if you've been hunting for an answer for your question, the answer is let go. For people between the age of 21 and 28, there is a change of cycle. You are moving from one position to another. You're moving from one cycle to another. Your partner may be really busy working, mending their pentacles. They might also be giving a lot into this relationship. And now I feel that you may decide to sort of transform this relationship into something more permanent. However, because they're still building up their pentacles, this may or may not be the right time. There is a transformation. There is something that is happening. You may be moving to another level of work, which may cause an impact to this relationship. You may also be becoming a little self-independent, which can also cause an impact to the relationship. Your partner is just in the moment and he's just being in a very routine. And if you need to bring a transformation, you need to be the transformation here, Scorpio. An advice for you from the romance angels is love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you romantically attractive. And you've got an answer, which is not the right time. So this may not be the right time for whatever you're thinking. You need to wait. You need to see how your circumstances shape up, and then you will go through it. For people above the age of 28, you come out as the Queen of Swords. You want to know the truth. You want to know the reality of a situation. Your partner is going through a transformation. This could be something this could be something very sudden in their life that they have been complying with, that they have been dealing with, and you really want to know the truth. You want to get into the root of everything, and this is something that your partner may or may not be in a state to tell you. In your end result, I see Six of Swords. You are moving forward. You may be moving forward with them or without them. But in any scenario, I feel the chances here is that you may just move forward without them, and they might be just left alone to deal with their own things. However, the cards advise you to have some sort of a forgiveness. Even if they come back and they ask you for forgiveness, you should give them forgiveness because you deserve love. So Scorpio, this is your monthly overall picture of your love readings. We definitely go in detail when we do your weekly readings. But this is the overall picture. If this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.